Now question deduction statement is some kids are males, some males are babies. The very fundamental rule is whenever two statements are particular, starts with some, there will be no conclusion between kids and babies. So by saying this, I can say that if these are the conclusions stating that all kids are babies, no kid is baby. I know these two are some, so I cannot draw the conclusion between kids and babies. So I cannot say all kids are babies. I cannot say no kid is baby. Therefore, my answer should be neither one nor two. Okay. However, I will explain this with a Venn diagram too. But to answer this question, you don't need the Venn diagram. As I said that some, so I don't know the relation between kids and babies. We cannot draw the relation. Both are talking about kids and babies. Therefore, none of this. Let's go with the Venn diagram structure. This is kids and it says some kids are male. So let's take this, some kids are male. This is usual way of drawing the diagram. And again, some males are babies. So take this, some males are babies. As I can see that there is a relation with kid to male and there is a relation with male to baby. Nowhere it indicating any relation with kid and baby. Therefore, nothing can be said about kid and baby. But by observing the diagram, some of you may, those who are new to this subject, may say that I can say no kid is baby because kid is left hand side and baby is right hand side. I can clearly see that there is no relation in between kid and baby. Therefore, I can conclude no kid is baby. Second one is right. That is not the case. Whenever you go with the Venn diagram, the thumb rule is that a conclusion can be a valid conclusion only when it satisfies all the possible combinations of Venn diagram. All the possible combinations of Venn diagram, then only any conclusion can be a valid conclusion. That means what could be the other possible way of drawing the diagram for these two statements? Look at that. This one, that is some kids are male. The first one, some kids are male. And the second is some males are babies. Some males are babies. Now here I see that there is some relation in between kid and baby. That is, some kids are babies and some kids are not babies. Now here if you say no kid is baby, then it is not valid in this Venn diagram. And this Venn diagram satisfies both the statement some kids are male, some kids are male, some males are babies, some males are babies. So if I say no kid is baby, that is wrong in this case. Now if you say some kids are baby, can I say that is wrong in the first case? Okay. Now this can also be drawn, this diagram. The first one is some kids are males, and the second way of drawing the diagram for some males are babies. Can you see that some males are babies? Does this diagram satisfies the given two statement or not? That is more important. What else it talks about all kids are baby or not is not my part of job here while I am answering this question. Look at the statement. Some kids are male, some kids are male, satisfied. Second statement, some males are babies, some males are babies. Now what is the relation between kid and babies? Kid and baby. Now I can see all kids are babies. So I got the three different answers. Here no kid is baby. Here some kids are babies. Here no kid is baby. And there is another way to draw the diagram, and that is the third one, that's some babies are male. That's what the first statement. And the second one can be drawn this way, that is kids and male. This one, kids and male. Some kids are male. Am I clear? Second says that some males are babies. The first one which is some males are babies. Now I draw the first one, that is kid and male relation, that is some kids are male. Now my point is whether this diagram satisfies the given two statements or not. First, some kids are male. Yes, I can see some kids are male because kids enter into male set. Next, some males are babies. Does it satisfy some males are babies? Yes, the male is this color, babies. So I can see some males are babies or some babies are male. What kind of relation between kid and baby? I can see some kids are babies, all babies are kids. Here all kids are babies, yes, all kids are babies and some babies are kids. Here some kids are babies, some kids are not. Some babies are kids and some babies are not kids. And here no kid is baby. So which one is right? If I pick up this one, all kids are baby, which is not true in the first case. If I pick up the second one, no kid is baby, then it is true in the first case, but it is not true in the second case, not true in the third case, not true in the fourth case. Okay, so therefore second one is not valid. Therefore it is neither one nor two should be the answer. But what is the way of drawing the diagram? Don't go for all these diagram which I have shown it. I only made it to convince that whenever I do not have any relation with kid and baby directly, and the relation comes in this chain way from left hand side to right hand side, no conclusion can be drawn. That means you cannot draw any conclusion with kid and baby. Okay, therefore neither one nor two. But here I would like to address one point, and that is, look at the next one, and okay, now here some kids are baby. In the previous question, what did we see? All kids are baby, no kid is baby. Instead of all, if they change it to some kids are baby, then what happens? I know I cannot draw any conclusion in between kid and baby, but still draw the diagram from some kids are babies. So this is some kids are babies. Okay, the second way of drawing the diagram is, if all kids are babies, then obviously some kids are babies. Okay, how about the second one, that is no kid is baby? For no kid is baby, this is the only way of drawing the diagram. No kid is baby. Look at these two. If no kid is baby is true, then some kids are baby will be false. When some kids are baby is true, then no kid is baby will be false. So therefore, whenever some and no comes with same subject and predicate, then they are called complementary conclusion. I do not know about the first one because kid and baby relation cannot be established. I do not know about the second one because the relation cannot be established. But as this is some kids are babies, no kids are babies. Observe that the terms are same. Kid, baby, kid, baby. So in that case, this some and no, they are complementary conclusion. That means if this is true, this will be false. If this is false, then this will be true. Or in other words, if the second one is true, the first one is false. So some and no with the same subject and predicate are called as complementary conclusion. This is the word we use, that complementary conclusion. In that case, we go for either one or two. Even though I do not know any one of them, but I know that both cannot be wrong, both cannot be right at a time. If one is right, the second one has to be wrong. If one is wrong, the second one has to be right. Therefore, it is complementary conclusion in that case my answer will be either 1 or 2. Please remember that the one should be in the form of some and the other one is in no, and subject and predicate should be same in any order, whether it kid and babies or babies and kid. Here kid and baby and or babies and kid. So the order does not matter. What matter is one is some, the other one is no, and the terms should be same in any order. Therefore, in this case my answer is either 1 or 2.